method and LCM using common multiple method. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe my video. Let's start. HCF. HCF means highest common factor, and the method we are applying here is common factor method. Before starting, I am writing a helping note. Here, this helping note I am writing because it is always better to know the range of your answer in advance so that you can clear that you are working on a correct path. With the help of this point, you can check the HCF of 2 or 3 or more numbers in advance. Let's see what is the point. See, HCF of any numbers always either equal to the lowest number or less than the lowest number. Let's say this point and find HCF using this example. Let's take two numbers, that is 18 and 24. Here 18 is less than 24 and HCF of these two numbers must be either equal to 18 or less than the 18. Let's write down all the factors of 18. That is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Now write down the factors of 24. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Here you can observe that 1 is present in both the factor list. At the same time 2, 3 and one more number, that is 6, is also present in both the factor list. Here 1, 2 and 3 are the lowest common factor between 18 and 24. We are not interested in this. But the highest factor, that is 6. We are interested in this factor because this is the highest factor between 18 and 24. This is our HCF. There is no any number which is common and which is greater than 6 in the both the list. So here we can write that HCF of 18 and 24 is 6. I hope the above point is clear now. That is, HCF is less than the lower number 18 here. Now let's find the LCM. LCM means lowest common multiple. The method we are applying here is common multiple method. For HCF we applied common factor method. For LCM we are applying common multiple method here. Let's understand this method with the help of an example. I am taking two numbers here, that is 8 and 12. We will try to find out the LCM of 8 and 12 using common multiple method here. So first of all, write down the multiples of 8. Here it is not possible to write all the multiples of any number. So we will write few, that is 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48 and so on. Same time we will write the multiples of 12. Multiples of 12, here it is 12, 24, 36, 48, 60 and so on. Here you can see that 24 is a number which is present in both the multiple lists. So this is the first multiple and 48, this is the second multiple which is common in both the multiple lists. But here this 48 is the second multiple number and we are not at all interested in second, third, fourth or any upcoming multiples. We are only interested in the common multiple which is appeared first time in both the list and which is common for both the numbers. So here LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. We can write here LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. As we wrote helping note to check the range of HCF, we can write same type of note to check the range of LCM also. Here I am writing short note for this. The note is LCM is greater than or equal to the biggest number. Yes. Here you can see that LCM is greater than or equal to the biggest number. Here two numbers are 8 and 12 and biggest number out of 12 and 8 is 12. 12 is greater than 8 and LCM, that is 24, is again greater than 12, which is here in both the methods you can see that in case of SCF, the SCF is compared with the lowest number, right? I am writing a note here. In case of SCF, comparison of SCF is done with the lowest number. So notice comparison done with the smallest number, right? But in case of LCM, we compare the LCM with the biggest number. So notice comparison of LCM is done with the biggest number, or we can say that highest number. I hope these two comparison points and this video is going to help you to find out the HCF and LCM. Thanks for watching, friends. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share my video. Thank you.